how to remove the dating shortcut from the Facebook app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Facebook dating from the menu at the bottom of the Facebook app. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's pretty easy to remove dating from Facebook. The first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app, then select the three lines in the top left of the app to open the menu. Once in the menu, scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and then in Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Once you get into the settings here under Preferences, scroll down and you'll see Tab Bar, select Tab Bar, and then customize the bar. So now under Tab Bar, look for dating. It might be pinned. It might also have auto. So if I select auto, you'll see that it might remove it. And now it's in the available section. If you want to completely remove it so that it never shows up again, go ahead and select the drop down next to it and select hide. And then now it will no longer show dating in the bottom menu of the Facebook app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.